I'm out with a Low Cash Homestead. So this is that area where we had that Sorghum Sudan grass. And basically what we've done over the last couple of days is cut the grass and just piled. We put the Sorghum Sudan, we cut that down, we covered it up with that black fabric. And then we cut the grass. Finally we were able to get some grass cut. And we used the mulch maker. And then we just dumped all of it here. And my son's graded it out. And then we threw some peat moss cubes into it. And then I took the tiller over there, and we didn't really till it, but we just stirred it all up. Okay? And then what I'm going to do is pick up this piece of trash. This is the thing about using yard waste, and when you have a lot of people, is that sometimes you have trash in it. So you just pick that out. Yeah. Yes, those are fake eggs. Those are trainer eggs. Yes.
There you go.
And then so we got our little hand thrower. And we're going to throw out, it looks like about 8 pounds of this all-purpose. We get this ground prep. This is the primer. And then where we had the potatoes, which is right there, we're going to, and I did till that a little bit, and that's because this is garlic that we're putting in there. I need that ground nice and soft and expandable so that that garlic can grow nice and big. So that we're going to prime this whole area with this 544. And then probably tomorrow, my sons are filling in a few more other garden boxes. And depending on how much compost we have left, maybe we'll put some more compost on here. Although, yeah, bud? They do look real, don't they? Let's see. Bring them over here so we can see them.
I dropped them and they didn't crack.
Well, they didn't crack because they're not real.
I know.
They're trainer eggs that help teach the chickens to lay in boxes. We've got a new chicken house that we're working on. I'll show you that sometime.
Can I hold one?
Don't lose those. Okay, make sure you put them back when you're done.
I hold them?
Well, share with your sister, bud.
Okay.
And then so we're gonna put this out there, and then depending on how much compost we have, we might put some compost on here. Although we are gonna change the layout of this garden over here. And I know, baby, hold that soda for a minute, please. There are a few peppers in it still, so we haven't pulled it up, and the okra is still going. So we're going to change the layout of this, get it to line up with the high tunnel. It ended up like this because that's a garden that I already had, but we're going to kind of make it more useful, get a little bit more symmetrical, and get some more plantable square footage out of it. So that's not a project that we're doing today. We might start on it this weekend, depending on how far we get. What's that, Katie?
They sound real.
Well, they're not, honey. See, put the egg out. See, it's a trainer egg. It's made of wood and painted.
I need you to hold it because I can't.
Okay, I gotta get back to work. Plus, my daughter has a nice frosty cold beverage in her hand waiting for me. It's Matt with Low Cash Homestead. Thank you very much.
Drink, Daddy.
Have a good day. Yes, you can have a drink. So up there in the striped shirt is the oldest of my young daughters, and she is taking a hand thrower and throwing those fertilizer granules out. Hey everybody, Matt with the Low Cash Homestead. We are harvesting climbing spinach, and I had said before that you want to kind of clip those leaves just away from those buds, because the buds will grow out, make more stems, make more leaves, make more spinach, right? So there's just an image of it, just right there, where we clipped it just below where they start to bud out. And then that will grow on and make another vine, which will then produce more spinach. You can see it right here. All of these vines right here are coming off of one plant because we just saved those little buds. See it right there too. This is Matt with Low Cash Homestead. Thank you very much. Have a good day.